In this video, I want to show you how to make a super simple three-dimensional flower. You're going to start by tying your yarn to your crochet hook. You can use a slip knot, a square knot, it does not matter. Do whatever works best for you. And we're going to start with a chain 5 and slip stitch to the 5th chain from your hook to form a ring. Chain 3, double crochet in the ring, double crochet is yarn over your hook, insert your hook in the ring, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through 2 loops on your hook, chain 3, and slip stitch again in the ring. Repeat 5 more times. Chain 3, double crochet in the ring, chain 3, and slip stitch in the ring. You'll do this until you have 6 petals total. Okay, and this is what your work should look like at the end of round 1. You should have 6 petals. Round 2 starts with a chain 4 and working behind the petals just made, we're going to skip those stitches and slip stitch into the next slip stitch. And so we're going to repeat that around. Chain 4, working behind the next petal, putting that chain 4 behind the petal, then slip stitch into the next slip stitch. And repeat this around. Okay, so at the end of round 2, your chain 4 spaces are going to be on the back side of your work, not on the front side of your work. Round 3, we're going to slip stitch into that first chain 4 space, chain 3, 3 double crochets in that chain 4 space, chain 3, and slip stitch into that same chain 4 space. And then repeat this around. So in each chain 4 space, it's going to be slip stitch, chain 3, 3 double crochets, chain 3, and slip stitch. And then repeat this all the way around. And at the end of the last petal, simply fasten off. And if you're going to attach this to anything, I'm going to attach this to an ivy wall outside for outdoor decoration. So I'm going to make sure my tails are long enough that I can use the tails for attaching to the wall. If you'd like to see the written pattern, you can follow the link in the video description. Like, follow, and share for more video tutorials.